Welcome to the Lecenté Create Builder Gel application video. In this video we are going to cover the preparation of the natural nail, a natural nail overlay and a sculpted enhancement. Begin by thoroughly cleansing the nail with 99.9% IPA. Using the Lecenté cuticle tool, push back the cuticles, then using the chisel edge remove any non-living tissue from the surface of the nail. Again, thoroughly cleanse the nail using 99.9% IPA. Using a 240 grit file, shape the free edge and lightly buff the entire surface of the nail to remove the shine. Again, thoroughly cleanse the nail using 99.9% IPA. We are now ready to apply the builder gel. Begin by scrubbing in a thin layer of builder gel into the surface of the nail. Pay particular attention down the side walls, making sure you are covering the entire surface. Apply to all 5 nails. When you are finished, the nail should have a stippled effect. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. We are now going to work on one nail at a time. We're going to build and shape the nail by using the builder gel. Without removing the inhibition layer, place a bead of gel onto the centre of the nail and using the tip of the brush, move the gel around the nail lightly, focusing the majority of the product on the centre of the nail. To build a slight apex, place a smaller bead on the centre of the nail and feather the product lightly towards the cuticle and towards the tip to even the product out. Cure each nail before moving on to the next. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. Remove the inhibition layer with 99.9% IPA, and now you're ready to refine the nail using a 180 grit file. Remove all traces of dust with a nail wipe and IPA, then apply a thin layer of builder gel and cure for 99 seconds on the low heat mode in the Lecenté lamp. Once cured, thoroughly cleanse the entire nail with IPA, paying particular attention to the side walls and the free edge. Our overlay is now complete. Once your forms are in place, scrub a thin layer of builder gel into the surface of the nail. Make sure you get down the side walls without touching the skin. Apply to all 5 nails. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. To create the tip, place a bead on the form against the free edge of the nail. Using the tip of the brush, move the builder gel to create the shape of the tip. Now to build the shape of the nail. Place a bead on the centre of the nail and using the tip of the brush, feather the builder gel to the cuticle and down the side walls, keeping the bulk of the product in the middle. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. You should now be able to carefully remove the form. We are now ready to build the structure and the shape of the nail. Apply a bead to the centre of the nail and feather the builder gel to the cuticle, side walls and towards the free edge, ensuring the bulk of the product remains in the centre. To build the apex, apply another smaller bead to the centre of the nail and feather out lightly. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. At this stage, you may need to add an additional bead to complete the apex. Place a slip layer down across the entire nail, and then you're ready to place your final bead to create the apex in the centre of the nail. Now cure in the Lecenté lamp for 99 seconds using the low heat mode 99-second button. Remove the inhibition layer with 99.9% IPA, and now you're ready to refine the nail using a 180 grit file. Remove all traces of dust with a nail wipe and IPA, then apply a thin layer of builder gel and cure for 99 seconds on the low heat mode in the Lecenté lamp. Once cured, thoroughly cleanse the entire nail with IPA, paying particular attention to the side walls. Our sculpted enhancement is now complete.